If you update Photoshop, you will find this feature, and I'm so excited about it because if you're anything like me, your layers may be a little bit messy. I personally love designing super quickly, and I don't take a lot of time to rename my layers. But now Photoshop has incorporated a new button on the layers panel. I'm Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and I love helping creatives make money from their talents. So in these videos that I call Tuesday Tip Tutorials, I show you how to become a faster and better graphic designer. Okay, so if you are in Photoshop, you can go to Window Layers to open this panel. It should look something like this on your screen. And if you have a document like I do here with lots of layers named layer 48, layer 3, layer 1, all you have to do is click this button down here and it will ask you how you want to clean this. I want to rename the layers on the entire document. So I'm going to click apply, and it's going to take maybe seconds. Sometimes if it's a very, very big document, it may take probably minutes, and it will obviously depend on each computer. But as you can see, it says cleanup complete, and I have now all my layers renamed with pretty accurate names, to be honest. I paint quite abstractly, so I'm pretty happy with what Photoshop was able to identify from my paintings. So this is it, a new feature on Photoshop that with one click, it will help you rename your layers and it will save you a lot of time. Please let me know through the comments if you knew about this feature and if you're excited to try it. I cannot wait to read your comments, and I'll see you next week in another Tuesday tip tutorial. Bye!